Yes. Hello students and welcome dear all in the class of mathematics for standard 7th, and today I am going to explain this chapter algebraic expressions, and here it is the first video for this week. So now let's start students. See, the first we have to see here constant. For understanding the algebraic expressions, there are some terms that we have to understand first, and one of them is a constant. So what do you understand by this constant is that a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant, that have some fixed numerical value, that whose value is fixed, means constant only, that is called a constant. As for example, it can be like this: 5 minus 6, that means it can be negative also, positive integer or negative integer. 5 is 5 only, it is a constant, its value is not going to change. Similarly, minus 6 is a constant only because this symbol is known as minus 6 and its value is not going to change, it is minus 6 only. Okay, so its value is fixed, that's why this symbol is called a constant. Now similarly, minus 13, 0. Now it can be a rational number also, negative rational number and positive rational number. So this number is minus 7 by 9. This is also a constant whose value is fixed. Now it can be a positive rational number such as 4 by 15. So these are the examples of constant. Now next you have to understand variables, which acts just like a packet only, that in which anything you can put anything inside that packet. So after that its value will change. When you are putting different values inside the variable, then its value is going to be changed. As you can see here, a symbol which takes various numerical values. Okay, so that's why I've said that it acts just like a packet only, in which we can change the whatever object we are putting inside, that we can change. Okay, a symbol which takes various numerical values, that symbol takes various numerical values, that is called a variable. Okay, example, you can see that the perimeter in this question only, you try to understand in this statement, the perimeter P, I am writing the perimeter as with the letter P, and this is working like a variable only, it works as a variable here. So perimeter P of a square of side S, here see side is S for side here, is given by the formula P equals to 4 into side, means perimeter equals to 4 into side. So here P and S are the variables in which we can put any numerical value. Okay, that perimeter value is depending upon the side. Here in this statement, that if the side is 6 centimeter, then 4 into 6, 24 is the perimeter, 24 centimeter. And if side is, here only you can take, if the side is 7 centimeter, then you will write that 4 into 7. That means the perimeter will be 28 centimeter. Okay, 4 into 7 is 28. When you are taking the side 7 centimeter, because this is on in our assumption only, what value we want to put, what value we want to substitute inside that variable S. Okay, so if you assign the S as the value 7 here, 7 centimeter, then 4 into 7, that is 28 centimeter is the perimeter. So this is called variables. One more example I want to show here, that you see circumference C, circumference is here C of a circle. You know that the perimeter of a circle is only known as circumference. So circumference of a circle C, circumference C, here C is denoting the circumference, that is a variable of a circle of radius R. This R is also a variable that is representing radius. So circumference C of a circle of radius R is given by this formula C equals to 2 pi R. Okay, 2 into pi into R. Pi is a constant, 22 by 7. In decimal we generally represent by 3.14, and in fraction we generally represent by 22 by 7. Okay, so 2 into pi into r. Here r is a variable in which we can assign any value, and c is also a variable circumference. C is circumference which is depending upon the radius. If the radius will change, then the correspondingly the circumference will also change. Okay, if radius you are going to take 4 centimeter, then the circumference will be 2 into 4, 8 pi. Pi is you take just like a constant only, so 8 pi. If radius is 6 centimeter, then 2 into 6, that is 12 pi centimeter is the circumference. So circumference here depends on the value of radius here. Okay, but both are variables here because their values are going to change in different types of circumstances depending upon the value of the variables, other variable, because circumference is depending on the radius. Similarly, you can say the radius also depends on circumference. If circumference will increase, okay, then the radius will also increase, because if some circumference is increasing, that means the circle is a big circle, then correspondingly its radius is also its radius will also change and its value will be larger. The radius value will be larger in that case. Now algebraic expression, constant and variable, we have understood. Now see, it consists of variables and constant. So it is written here, a combination of constants and variables. It is the combination of constants and variable connected by some or all of the 4 fundamental operations. That means plus, minus, into and division. These are the fundamental operations of arithmetic. Okay, and the variables and constants are connected with the help of these fundamental operations, plus, minus, into and division, and this such expression is only called the algebraic expression. Okay, such expression we can say that is called the algebraic expression. For example, we can have this 3x plus 6. Here 3 into x, that means between 3 and x multiply is there, multiply operation, then plus 6. So plus is also used here. Now here also you can see multiply and plus operation, 5 into x into y square, that is 5xy square plus 7 into y. So plus 7 into y. So this is also an algebraic expression. Now 8 minus 7xy plus 3y. This algebraic expression contains 3 terms. Okay. So this way you can understand what is algebraic expression. Now we have to understand terms of an algebraic expression, how you can differentiate between different terms. Okay, so that is the different parts of the algebraic expression represents the terms, different parts of the algebraic expression separated by the sign plus. Okay, so generally it is misconception also that people understand by they are separated by minus. Okay, so I would like to tell here, I would like to clear it very clearly that they are separated by the sign plus only. Okay, the different parts of the algebraic expressions are separated by the sign plus and are called the terms. They are only called the terms which are separated by the sign plus in an algebraic expression. So like this we can understand here, such as in this expression 5x square plus 9y minus 2x. This is an algebraic expression which contains 3 terms, 5x square, then 9y, and then the third term is minus 2x. Because see, actually this minus sign is the sign of the term only. Okay, because the algebraic expressions are separated by the sign plus here, clearly I have said. Okay, so don't keep any type of confusion here. So now, consisting of 3 terms, 5x square, 9y and minus 2x, then I try to understand this expression first. 5x square plus 9y minus 2x. This is the expression that can be written as 5x square plus 9y plus minus 2x. So that's why I've said that this minus 2x you will write in the bracket, and outside this plus sign you will mention here. Okay, so now you can see it is very clear that the terms are separated by the sign plus. First term is 5x square, second term 9y, and the third term is minus 2x, and they are separated by the sign plus. I hope it is clear. Now you see next 8y plus 9x plus 7. This is also an algebraic expression consisting of the terms first term is 8y, second term 9x, and third term is 7. So the separate terms are 8y, 9x, and 7. Now if the algebraic expression is this given, that 3x minus 9, okay, so this you can write like this, that 3x plus minus 9. So the separate terms are here 3x and minus 9. The first term is 3x and the second term is minus 9, okay, and they are separated by the sign plus. Now we have to see several types of algebraic expressions based on the number of terms, okay, based on number of terms. So first we can see monomials. They are such algebraic expressions which contains only one term, okay. So an algebraic expression which contains only one term is called a monomial. Example 8x, it is a monomial only, 2xy and minus 9. Minus 9 is a constant, but this is a monomial also, because you know algebraic expression consists of variables or constant combined by operations, fundamental operations, that plus, minus, into, and division. So minus 9 is a constant and it is a monomial, okay. Now here the next we can see binomials. They are the algebraic expressions which contains two terms, okay, binomials. An algebraic expressions containing two terms only is called a binomial, such as these expressions you can see 2a plus 3b. It contains two terms, the first term is 2a and the second term is 3b. Now in the second, the 7 minus 3x, 7 minus 3x, you may write that 7 plus minus 3x. So the first term is 7 and the second term is minus 3x. Third example, that 2x square y plus 5x. So on, many examples of binomials we can give here. Now trinomials, as by name only we can understand the algebraic expression which contains three terms, okay. Algebraic expression containing three terms is called a trinomial. For example here 6a plus 8b plus 9. This first one, that is of three terms, and similarly the second you see 9 minus 4x plus y. So 9 minus 4x plus y, you can write that 9 plus minus 4x plus y, okay. So third is minus 3x square y, minus 3x square y is the first term, plus 7x plus 12. So this is also forming a trinomials. Now one more, two more types of polynomials, algebraic expressions we can say based on the number of terms. One more, that if the algebraic expression have four terms, that is also called quadrinomial, okay. So similar it is, so that's why I am not mentioned here, but just know that if the algebraic expression such as this only 2x plus 4y plus, suppose that this is 9x square plus 7. Now see this expression. This expression contains four terms, so that's why this is called a quadrinomial, okay. Understood this? Now next we have to see the general term, that is polynomial, general term of algebraic expression. So this is given here, polynomials. So an algebraic expression which contains minimum two terms, okay, that we can say it is a polynomial. So algebraic expression containing two or more terms. Two or more terms means minimum two terms and maximum no any limitation only. So which contains two or more terms, that is called a polynomial, such as 6a plus 8b. It is a binomial and it is a polynomial also, okay. Now 3a square y plus 7y plus 12. So it contains three terms. This expression contains 3 terms, 3a square y plus 7y plus 12. So this is also called polynomial because it has more than 2 terms. So now your homework will be to learn these all the points explained here and write it in the notebook. Thank you all of you.